डियर फ्रेंड्स, ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो पे आधारित एक एग्जाम्पल हम सॉल्व कर रहे हैं. इट इज़ फॉर क्लास 10. हियर द क्वेश्चन इज गिवन टेंजेंट ऑफ ए 4/3. फाइंड द अदर ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो ऑफ एंगल ए. लेट अस, this is a right angle triangle. Okay, here angle A is marked here, angle A, and it is given angle tan of angle A is equal to 4/3. We know tangent of angle, if you are considering this A, angle A, then this is called perpendicular, and this base, this is called base, and you know this is hypotenuse. So tangent of A is equal to P by B, which is given 4/3. So we will take P as 4K and B as 3K. Now applying Pythagoras theorem in this right angle triangle, H hypotenuse will be equal to P square plus B square under root. So this P you put 4K square and B 3K square, it will become 16K square, 9K square. If you add it, 25 square, 5K. So H you are getting, hypotenuse you are getting 5K, where K is some constant, some variable. Here now you know sine of A, sine of angle A is perpendicular by hypotenuse P by H. So P के जगह में आप you put 4K and H की जगह में 5K, so it will ratio is 4/5. So sine of angle A is equal to 4/5. Cosine of angle A is defined as B by H, base by H. So B is your 3K, H is 5K, so it will cancel out 3/5. Then cosec of A is reverse of sine A. Cosec A is equal to 1 by sine A. So sine A is equal to 4/5, so this will be 5/4. Sec A is inverse of cos A. So sec is, cos का वैल्यू है आपका 3/5, so cos sec A will be 5/3. Cot A is inverse of 1/tan A. Tan A is already given here 4/3, so this will be 3/4. In this way, very easily, if any of the angle value will be given, any sine, cos, tan, whatever given, then what you have to do, you have to see which angle, which ratio is given. Accordingly you calculate H, or if related to H and B is given, P is given, then you find out B. So first of all you have to find out all perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. Once you calculate hypotenuse, perpendicular and base, then easily you can calculate the trigonometric ratio. I hope you will find this video interesting. Thank you very much.